I've got the Hinen product. I've got the 5 batteries with the inverter. So far I've had it now for about a year. It's been running pretty good. It's just keeping up with my pool, heaters, house, and when the power goes out, when the grid sometimes heats up, power goes out, battery backup system kicks in. It runs some of the main things I've got in the house, so it keeps up for a couple of hours. My power bill dropped significantly. I used to pay thousands. After putting the batteries with all the system, my power bill dropped to about $300-400. So massive savings. Installation, yeah, was pretty quick and easy. It was done professional by Hinen team. Like you can see, everything is no wires, nothing. They've set up the app, they configured everything, and straight away it was up and running. Pretty much everything, from the monitoring to the performance it's performing, just the display system on it as well, very simple, easy. Yeah, I've recommended Hinen to family and friends, whoever asks me about a battery system. I tell them, look, so far I've had best feedback about it. I've had no issues, everything is perfect, batteries are keeping up. It's keeping up like at night time when there's no solar, nothing. I have about 5 or 6 hours, it depends on my usage as usual, but it gives me a decent amount of battery life on the system, and I hadn't had an issue so far.